today I am Art and About in Winter Street Studios, where behind all these fabulous doors live some of Houston's most creative personalities. Now, as you look around the halls, there's some awesome art on the wall, but in a few days, this whole space is going to be transformed into a holiday market extravaganza. Let's find out more.
Spacetaker's Winter Holiday Art Market, which we fondly call WHAM, is a weekend art sale and holiday celebration featuring 60 local artists, and it ranges from work. We get paintings, photography, sculpture and ceramic arts, to jewelry, handcrafted items, fabric arts, everything you could possibly look for.
With 60 artists all in one location in a variety of styles, mediums, and genres, your chances of finding the perfect gift, for that difficult to shop for person are much, much greater. Hey, you might even find a couple of things for yourself. With WHAM being the largest Houston-based local arts market, when it comes to supporting your local economy, what goes around comes around.
I do a lot of my shopping here because I love the artists that are here, and I have gone back to the same artists year after year because I love their work.
Because I gave the gifts to myself, I was really excited. I bought for myself last year, but yes, maybe this year I'll buy for someone other than myself.
At WHAM, they can expect a lot of different styles, a lot of different media, as well as I'm going to have, some other different things that I don't normally do, but are just kind of fun.
These are made really entirely out of wire. I take a thick gauge wire, I wrap it around a dowel, and I make the hoop. And then I take a very fine gauge wire and I hand wrap it all around. Okay, so there's one wrapping job. And then I take an even finer gauge wire and wrap it around the little loops that I've made here. So it's very, close in work and time consuming. But
last year when I went to WHAM, I walked into the Lord's Room, the exhibition room, and I saw in the middle they were showcasing some members of the Contemporary Arts Museum Teen Council showcasing their clothing designs. And I saw this dress from afar, and I walked up to it with my camera, and I just took a picture of it, and I was like, I have to have this.
It's like a big party, you can bring your kids. My kids come by to visit. First of all, it's great getting to, know the artists who are next to you. And by Sunday, you feel like you're really good friends with them.
WHAM is really unique, actually. We feature 60 local artists, which represent really a perfect cross-section of Houston's creative community.
Spacetaker's 5th annual Winter Holiday Arts Market is happening this weekend, but only for 3 days. You'll get a chance to attend a special preview party on November 19th from 6 to 10 p.m. where $10 gets you in the door, and that includes food, drinks, and live entertainment. You'll get a chance to start your search before everybody else. Now, admission is free on the 20th and 21st, but remember, when it comes to one-of-a-kind handcrafted items, when they're sold, they're gone. See you then.